Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Ishola. Ishola has been trading with us from the 7th of January 2021 up until the present date of 11th of June 2021. Ishola has had a daily gain of 0.14%, a monthly gain of 4.23%, and a drawdown of 6.02%. Ishola is now managing $60,000 so basically Ishola's on level 3 of the FTP program. Let's look at the journey of Ishola. Ishola has done very well in managing to finish with trades of 439 in total, and we have a percentage gain of 339 out of 439, representing 77% gain, and lost 100 out of 439, which represents 23%. So Ishola is 23% wrong most of the time, but 77% right. And this is what we always say with trading: you can be right or wrong and still end up making money, and clearly this trader has done this consistently. So looking at the total amount of pips gained over a period of time is 2,480.4 pips. Very impressive. So let's look at the pairs that helped Ishola hit this target. Ishola has traded quite a few pairs, as we can see, but mainly the most successful pairs that have given her or him the most gains consistently to hit that 10% is the pound AUD, as I've highlighted here, with a total of 131 trades, and the pound Kiwi, which is a total of 171 trades. So this is a very big key part in hitting that 10%, because two pairs single-handedly has helped Ishola hit 10% multiple times. The other pairs have been spread out smartly and diversified the risk element of things, and still helped this trader preserve capital and also gone to 10%. So a 77% strike rate being effective compared to a 23% loss rate is still great and above average. So well done and congratulations. Looking at the monthly analytics, we got 10.35% in January, the first 10%, 3.24% in Feb, 1.46% in March, minus 1.56% in April, 6.16% in May, and 2.65% in June. So this is a very good attempt, very well done, and a great attempt on achieving this milestone. Let's look at a few of the pairs you've traded. As you can see, 445, you've got a few stop losses in place. But I'll say try and make this common practice of having a stop loss in place, because especially trading the pound Kiwi and the pound AUD pairs, it exposes you to uncertainty and to a lot of room of a situation where you cannot control the trade. So it's always good practice to always, if anything, maintain control by using a stop loss, and that will protect you from losing excessive profit. But other than that, this is a great attempt. Well done and congratulations, and I look forward to reviewing this account on 120,000, 240,000 and 480,000 and up until the 500,000 level. Now that you've come halfway through the program, it's very important you maintain composure and discipline to make sure you do not fall off the wagon and you still maintain that position of consistent profit to help you be more successful. So congratulations on the effort on this account. Look forward to reviewing the account on the next one.